Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today work continues on this Stern Trident pinball machine, and I'm slowly getting it kind of back working. I've got the game booting up and everything, and I'm just one by one going through the different things on the playfield. I've cleaned it up a little bit, put some wax on it, and it plays, but it definitely needs some TLC, and one of the areas where we've got a problem is this drop target bank up here. So let's take a look at this. As you can see, there's like a target halfway up and halfway down. Let me start a game and see what happens. See that the bank target resets and it drops some of the targets down, and I'm pretty sure that's not necessarily what it's supposed to do. Is it supposed to drop? I don't know. Is it supposed to keep one down? See, I don't think so. See, there we go. They all stuck. So there's some glitchiness in there. Targets aren't going all the way down properly. So I am going to take that target bank apart, and we're going to completely recondition those drop targets. So in the next video, you'll see I will have this thing, the playfield, pulled up, and we'll be taking a good look at that drop target bank and seeing what the problem is. Why are these targets dropping down? Is it a mechanical problem? Is there a piece broken off? Or is there springs missing or loose? We're going to find out. So stay tuned in the next video.